Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day, week, night, whatever time you're watching this. Today I'm going to be talking about eyelashes and affordable eyelashes at that, because I realize my eyelash game is whack. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment, and don't forget to follow the blog that me and my sister share, which will be in the description box down below. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got most of my eyelashes from Superdrug. They average between £1 or £2. So, but it was 3 for 2, so I got like 2 for 3, which is great. I bought 6, and we're gonna get started straight away. I have done most of my makeup. I have not used any setting spray, so if I'm looking ashy, I do apologize. So let's get started. The first eyelash will be Extra Volume 403 from Superdrug. They're very auntie-ish and dramatic. So we'll see how they look. Oh my gosh, when you rip the strip, look at it. It looks like a rectangle. Yeah. So we're gonna fan that out across the eye. Anyway, but I've started my own Instagram and it'll be down below somewhere. Only VEEBEE, and you'll see more makeup looks that maybe I haven't put on my blog or on YouTube because it was like a quick look. I had to go somewhere, but you'll see pictures of those type of looks. So let me show you how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. This is the best I could do. It looks whack, no disrespect. Obviously I'll need to trim it down to my size and the length of my eyes. I'm actually looking at myself in the mirror and I feel ridiculous. These are definitely African auntie eyelashes. Like, no, this is not me. This is, even looks better on this eye to be honest, but still it's like, I can see the eyelashes as I'm talking to you and it's irritating me. So this is a no for me. It was even difficult to put on because it's just a rectangle. And to be quite honest, I don't even feel I put it on properly. I don't think I put it on properly. Have you guys noticed my backdrop? I even forgot that. Look at cute. I didn't put this on properly and it's hard to put on. It's a no for me. It could be a yes for you. I think this one was probably around £2, but this is not my look. No, I like this eye way better though. Next one. So next one is going to be Volume 301. Can y'all see it? I love how like sparse it looks. Like, I'm excited about this one, honey. Oh my gosh, my eyes just feel so heavy from that first one. And here it is. You can't really see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually really easy to put on, and I actually like it. Like, it's so subtle and cute. Sorry, let me double check. No guys, I love this eyelash. I think it's so subtle, so cute, easy to put on. I just put on some glue, and guys, I put on a glue that's not for your eyes, but, and I would not advise this to be honest, but I put on like, you know, bonding glue, hair bonding glue, you know. Yeah, it looks cute. Like, you can't really see it. It's subtle. Like, you can wear this to work, and this is like £1, so this is good. This is really good. Light as well. I can't even, it doesn't feel like I'm even wearing any eyelashes. Only when I blink hard and I can feel it. But that's it. What do you think? Non-existent? Yeah, I think so too. Okay, next one. So the next one we're going to use is Extra Volume. The next one I'm going to use is Extra Volume 404. And it's cute. It's got like that like zigzaggy line. It's probably fuzzy. You probably can't see it, but it's really cute. Like, I was excited when I bought this one. I was like, oh, I gotta wear it now. These are, what would I call them? I'll call them like naughty girl, like, oh. Okay, so these are this eyelashes 404, I believe I said. Yeah, 404. These are the eyelashes. I did this eye way better. I'm not really feeling, there's just like one hanging eyelash there. I don't know if I need to, I'm gonna trim that off. Don't understand what it's there for. It's really cute. It makes your eyelashes look full, but like, it makes it look like a natural full. But the thing I don't like about it, it makes it look clumpy. Like, you put, you know when you put too much put too much mascara. Like, when you're younger, you feel more is more is more, and you think it gives you a nice look, and it just gives you these thick spider legs. Yeah, it gives you that kind of effect. But I like them. Like, I was excited about them for a reason, so I like it personally. Yeah, I like them. I could wear this like, I think I can get away with wearing this on a daily basis, like just wear it every day. It is really cute, lightweight as well. Yeah, I'm giving this is like, once trimmed on the sides, I think it's gonna bang. Like, and be careful guys when you peel this off the packet. Sometimes you could peel a hair off. I just accidentally did that with this one. But yeah, I like it. I like this one. This is good. This is good. We're getting better. The first one was a wiggly whack. Okay, but now we're getting somewhere. Okay, next one is very similar. It's Natural 202, and girl, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's got like a little zigzag cross thing, but it's very like sparse and easy to work with. Yeah, I like it. I was excited about this as well. I was really excited about this. I'm not gonna lie, my eyelids are like, because you just stopped touching me. But we're gonna keep it going. Keep it going. Again, I pulled it off like one fresh auntie and pulled off some hair again. So I'm clearly not learning. You have to be delicate with it, Vanessa. Oh my gosh, guys, this one is whack. Like, you can't even see it. And I feel like I can't see it and it's hurting. No, this is no, sheet. No. It's making my eye water. No. That's a no. That's a no. So 404, although you look good on your little board thing, but you ain't working for me, honey. It's a no. With this glue residue. Okay, on to the next one. In the words of Jay-Z and Swiss Beats. Is it Jay-Z and Swiss Beats? I don't even know. I used to like that song anyway. On to the next one. Yeah, on to the next one. Because I'm actually really upset about that 404. No, what's it? That 202. Oh, 404 was a double of it. I see what you're trying to do, sister. Oh, that was natural, so I guess that's why it looked shit. It's supposed to look like shit normal eyebrows. Shit normal eyelashes. You know, I think it's supposed to just look. It was natural. I didn't fix it. Anyway, volume 302 is next up. It's cute. It's quaint. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, you can see it like that. It's nice and sparse, but not too sparse. But Jesus, I was not doing that last one. I'm excited about this one. I feel like it might be the MVP of today's video. Okay guys, this eyelash is cute. I should have zoomed up a little bit closer, but it's cute. It's really gappy. It's a really nice eyelash actually. It's gappy, but it's like so fun. Like, you know, it's just like, I don't know. There's something about it that makes me just want to go, But it's cute. I like it. We got one more. But this is, what was this again? Volume 302. I actually like it a lot. Yeah, I like it. I think you guys can probably see more on this eye. Yeah, it is cute. It is so cute. It's cute. Last but not least, oh my gosh, my eyelid is screaming. Last but not least, we have volume 303, Fashion Lashes. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Sickening. Guys, this is how the 303 look. I like this one. I feel like it's a little bit heavy. I feel like I don't know how I'm gonna wear my glasses with it personally. But yeah, this one I like. This is definitely for a night out when you want that sultry look, you know. When you want your eyes to look a little bit more. When you want your eyes to look a bit more slanted and smaller and sexy, you know. Yeah, I like it. Would I use it? Let's do the glasses test. Okay, I'll have to push my glasses forward like this if I really want to be able to see properly. Yeah, it's okay. My favorite, I think, was actually the gappier ones. No. My favorite was actually the natural 202s, which were the crisscrossy one that made it look really natural. No, I'm lying. My favorite was extra volume 404. That was buff. I actually liked volume 302 and possibly this one. I liked a few. If you are just getting into eyelashes, try these ones, because it's best just to try with the cheaper ones and see what look will suit you best. Would you like a gappy look? Would you like some more full, more spiky? It's really up to you. This is really cute in person. I'm hoping that the camera could actually show you. Yeah, so those were the 6 eyelashes I chose. So altogether I spent £6. It's worth a shot, guys, but like don't go for the first one, personally. The first one, I'll tell you the number again, honey, because no. The extra volume 403, do not go for them. They were auntie-ish, unless you know how to finesse it. But I would be cutting that, so then it just like, I will finesse that. But yeah, she has Instagram now and a new backdrop. Like, we're moving on up, mama. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the eyelashes and the reviews. I was being as honest as I could be. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow the blog that me and my sister share. Also, guys, now she has an Instagram, only BEEBEE. So you spell only ONLYBEEBEE. Yeah, and you'll find me. You can follow, comment, like some pictures, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.